So Crimson Desert is getting regular updates, which is a good thing. But for those of us who have mods installed, it can be frustrating. Every time a new update drops, the mods can break and it can take some time for the devs to update them. So here is a method on how you can revert back to the previous version of the game and still play with all of your mods that you had installed. All the links you'll need will be in the description below, so let's get started. What you first want to do is make sure you have Steam opened. You want to press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run dialog, and then you want to type the following, which I'll have in the description. This will open up the Steam console. Next, you want to head over to the SteamDB website, and in the search box you want to type in Crimson Desert, find the game, click on it. On the side menu you want to click depots, and as you can see for Crimson Desert we have an app ID. We're going to need this app ID. We're going to go down to the depots, and you can see for the Windows version we have the depot ID here. You can just click on it and it will take us inside the game files. So now we have an app ID and depot ID which we need, and the last thing we need is a manifest ID. So if you click on manifest on the left menu, it will show you a bunch of manifest IDs for previous updates for the game. You can see the most recent one, which was 4 hours ago for me. We do not want that one, as that's the update that's broken our mods, and I want to go back to the version that released 8 days ago, because this is the one that had all the mods working. So you just want to make a note of the app ID, the depot ID, and the manifest ID, because you're going to need this to download the files. So once you've made a note of that, you want to head into the Steam console, and you want to type download_depot, followed by the app ID, then the depot ID, and then the manifest ID. Once you have entered it like how I have in that order, you want to go ahead and press enter, and you'll see that the download has started. Make sure you have enough space in your hard drive because the downloads can be very large. I believe Crimson Desert is around 100 gigabytes, and depending on your download speed it can take some time. Once it's finished downloading, you'll get a message saying download is complete. You'll also get the file path showing you where the files have been stored, and you can simply just copy that file path, head into File Explorer, copy the file path and paste it into the Explorer and press enter. It will take you to your files. Next, head over to Steam, find Crimson Desert in your library, right click on it, hover over manage and click browse local files to open up the game directory. You'll notice that the files in the game directory look very similar to the files that you downloaded. So in the folder that you downloaded the files, you want to just highlight everything in that folder and press copy, and then within the Crimson Desert directory you want to paste the files within there, and you may get a prompt saying to replace the files. Make sure you press the replace button, and this will override the new game version files with the previous version's files. Again, this can take some time depending on your read and write speeds of your drive, but once those files have copied over, you can delete the files that you downloaded earlier, or you can keep a backup of them if you have the space. So now head back into the Crimson Desert directory, and you can see that I still have my JSON mod manager from the mods that I had before. If I open up the mod manager, you can see that all my mods are still available to use, and all I have to do is just press apply mods. So once the mods have been applied to the game files, all I need to simply do is just run the game, and you can just continue playing like you did before. I'll just show a quick time lapse of me running the game and how after I launched the game, all my previous mods are still active. And if this video helped you out, drop a like, would appreciate you subscribing to the channel, and if you have any issues then leave a comment and I'll try to help you out there. Have a good one.